Hi, my name is Joshua Brice and I'm with D&G WebWorks. Today I'd like to take a little bit of time to demonstrate how to add and delete user accounts from your Windows-based PC. First, I would like to show you how to find the operating system that your computer is running on and which version of that operating system it is using. Next, I would like to show you how to use the built-in User Accounts and Family Safety tab to add and delete user accounts. Finally, I would like to show you how to use the command prompt to also add and delete user accounts. Why is it important when you're using Windows to know which version of Windows you're running? Well, each version of Windows has different things that you can do. For example, if I was running Enterprise on this computer, I would be able to do a whole lot more as far as controlling my users and their accounts than I can if, say, I'm running Home Premium. So let's take a look at which operating system this computer is running. Under the control panel, I will click on System and Maintenance, and then under System and Maintenance, I will click on System. As you can see right here, this particular computer is running Windows Vista Home Premium. Now, unfortunately, that kind of limits exactly what I can do with adding and deleting and controlling user accounts. Our Home Premium does not have access to the local group policies, but I can still add, delete, and change stuff. So we're going to go back and back again, and now I'm going to show you how to add an account. Under the User Account and Family Safety, we are going to click Add and Remove User Accounts. The UAC is going to pop up, the User Account Control. I am logged in as the administrator, so I can click Continue and I won't be prompted for credentials. Now, I'm adding a new account, so down here there is Create a New Account. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create a New Account, and in the box I'm going to enter the account's name. So for this account I'm going to enter Dan, and I can choose between a standard user or an administrator. Administrators have more privileges than standard users, so for this I'm going to click standard user. Then we'll go ahead and create the account. As you can see, the account Dan has been added to my. Now if I double click on the Dan account, I can now change the account name, create a password, change the picture, set the parental controls, change the account type, delete the account, or I can go to another account and manage another account. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete the Dan account from here. Now I can delete all the files that are associated with this account, or I can keep the files and just delete the account. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the files since we didn't create any, and I'm going to delete the account. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same process but from the Windows command line. So I'm going to go down to my start menu and I'm going to type CMD for command line, and I'm going to open an elevated prompt. I'm going to run it as an administrator. Once again, the user access control will come up, and I'm an administrator, so I don't have to put in my account credentials. Now in order to create an account, I'm going to use the net user command. I'm going to type net user. We're going to create the Dan account, and I'm going to add his password, and we're going to use just a simple password for now, then space / add. The command has been completed successfully. I now have the Dan account. Now where the command line comes in handy is that I have more specific control than I did when I was using the built-in tool. As such, I can use the net user command to add this account to a domain. I can also set the account up to where the user has to change the account password on his first login. Now, in order to delete the user account from here, we're going to use the net user. We're going to put in the user account name, Dan. We're going to use the /DELETE delete parameter. As you can see, the command has been completed successfully. The Dan account has been deleted. So today, I showed you how to find out which operating system and which version of the operating system that your PC is running. I showed you how to add and delete a user account from the built-in user control in the control panel. I've also showed you how to use the command line to add and delete your accounts. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.